say you really need to work on this. Your mindset is everything, and you want to set it for success. You want to, read the books, just work on it daily. Watch the videos, whatever floats your boat, and focus on what you can achieve, what is possible. Don't look at what could go wrong. Look at what could go right. You could have the most amazing life ahead of you if this is in the right place. And that also means investing in yourself, It's having that courage. I spoke about courage earlier, yeah? Having that courage to step out and say, actually, and that belief in yourself that you can do this. That is probably the biggest thing that you can really work on. Working on your mindset, it's not an expensive thing. But if you want to make the big bucks as well, then, as Rich said, you've got to get positioned. And that's going to mindset, positioning, boom.
I got a mic. Thank you so much. So there is in Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. And so just thinking about mindset, I definitely would recommend mindset. In his self-confidence formula, it says the dominating thoughts of my mind will eventually reproduce themselves in outward physical action. So whatever's dominating, so if you're saying to yourself, I can't do this, I'm not good enough, or, all these different dominating thoughts. I told my team, I posted in the group, and I said, don't let dirty paper keep you from the next event. I'll say it again. I told my team, I said, don't let dirty paper keep you from the next event.
All right.
Dominating thoughts of your mind. So if your mind dominates things about money and not having enough, and what Misha goes back to Misha's mindset presentation, and the dominating thought of your mind is I'm poor, or, and I know none of you guys here are saying this, but your decisions and everything, money is a ruler, then I tell people, you know what? If all your decisions are made up on money, you're just making decisions based on dirty paper. Ugh. Ugh. Why would I allow something like that to dominate my mind? Because my actions are going to reflect the dominating thoughts of my mind. So if I want to change what I see, I have to change how I think, as Karen was saying earlier. So definitely work on that and identify, even while you're here, what am I saying to myself? What am I saying? What are the dominating thoughts while I'm here at this event, right? What are the dominating thoughts? One of my mentors, he always says, everything you need is already within you. So if you have a desire to do anything, if you have a desire to go and study in Fiji or something, whatever your desire is, the way for you to do that is already in the earth realm. So you have to become powerful enough to say, you know what? If I want to do it, I'm going to do it. Now I have to command dirty paper to come in so I can now experience the life that I want to experience. Hello, somebody. So that's how you make a decision. You make a decision from a different person. You make a decision today. I'm talking about the person who wants to have the biggest year. You make a decision today from who you want to be. Not from when you look in the mirror, who you see today. You make a decision from who you want to be. Who am I? I'm already a 7-figure income earner, so I'm making decisions from that place. Not even a 6-figure income earner. I'm done with that. I'm over that. And so some of you have to make a decision. I'm done with 2 figures. I'm done with 1 figure. I'm done with 0 figures. I'm not that person. I'm a 6-figure income earner. I'm going to make decisions as a 6-figure income earner. So now I ask myself, so what are we going to do? And then we make the decision, and we go and we crush it. And we have our biggest year ever because what? We made a decision, which means we make an incision, meaning it's going to hurt, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be ugly, right? But I made a decision, and I'm sticking with it.
She doesn't have a mic to drop, or she drop it.
I was going to say, follow that up, Dan.
Dan,
Thanks, Keisha.
good luck.
I love it.
What she said.
How you going, guys?
Dan here.
Musket here.
My name is Dan Musket. So there's three things that I would recommend. These three things is exactly what I did. The first thing is get this thing between your ears right, okay? Money's a good thing. It's not a bad thing, all right? If you're going to earn a lot of money, you can do a lot of good things. If you're a good person with that money, if you're a bad person, you're going to do a lot of bad things with that money, right? There's nothing wrong with money. It's just what's in here, all right? So that's number one. Number two, you want to be positioned to earn those big commissions. You've got to be positioned. Look at it as an investment, not an expense. It's a business. That's what you're buying. You're buying a business. It's like a franchise business model, right? He created it. This dude over here, this Hawaiian guy that I met a couple of years ago.
The Hawaiian hunk.
And the third thing is take massive action like your last day on earth, right? You know, get your why checked in and just take that massive action every day and have yourself accountable for your results. Nobody else is fault for your results. It's you. You have to take massive action to get those results, and don't stop until you get them, and then keep going.
Beautiful. So one quick thought for me is like to piggyback off the massive action thing. You know, the whole knowledge is power thing, and I've told a couple people this, but knowledge is not power. It's the application of the knowledge, right? That's where the true power lies. So you can learn and learn and learn and learn and learn, but until you actually take that action, nothing's going to happen. So that's good.
Awesome. Did you guys get value out of the top earners? You guys see why they're top earners? You see how they think? Awesome. Thank you guys. I appreciate you immensely. And congratulations on all the success.
We love you guys.